Welcome back. This week, the FDA approved the first drug made to specifically treat postpartum depression. The new treatment works much more quickly than the current approach prescribing antidepressants. The new drug treats symptoms faster, but at a much higher price. KOMU8's Nikki Ogle talked to a psychiatrist about the breakthrough for what she calls childbirth's most common complication.
Kim Brandt is a perinatal psychiatrist. She treats mothers during their pregnancy and for a year after giving birth. She says postpartum depression is common.
This happens to anywhere between 1 in 5 and 1 in 9 mothers. And they deserve treatment for this problem.
That's right. According to the CDC, 1 in 9 mothers goes through postpartum depression, often taking general antidepressants to fight the condition. But the new treatment is the first to specifically target postpartum depression. The Food and Drug Administration approved Zulresso this week.
It's given kind of national attention to postpartum depression, and in a way kind of legitimize that concern.
Doctors administer Zulresso to new mothers through an IV over the course of a 2.5-day hospital stay.
Within about 48 hours, moms really experienced a significant improvement in their symptoms of depression. Whereas if you look at a more traditional treatment with antidepressant medication, it's usually about 4 to 6 weeks before you start to notice a real benefit.
But the quick results might not be long-lasting. So far, Brandt says data show moms lose the effect after the first month.
This treatment to get that rapid relief, and then also starting an antidepressant so that in that 4 to 6 weeks, maybe when the IV infusion starts to wear off, then the antidepressant may start to kind of be at a more therapeutic level.
The IV treatment could cost $34,000, and that does not include the required hospital stay. And insurance companies haven't decided whether to cover the treatment. Brandt says that price tag is much larger than more traditional antidepressants like Zoloft and Prozac. Those typically only cost $5 to $10 per month.
It is possible that insurance companies would want a patient to try the more traditional antidepressant medications for a few weeks to see if that would work before they would potentially approve the expensive infusion medication.
There is some pushback against the new treatment from communities favoring more natural childbirth. A doula is a non-medical person who helps a woman through and after having a baby. We talked to one doula who says she thinks it would be better to counsel mothers dealing with postpartum depression and not pay so much money for medication.